Yeah, sorry, I just completely lost track of time. Okay, yeah, I'm on my way. I'm just coming. Yeah. Okay.
What are you bringing with you?
Bringing? Are we going somewhere?
You know what I mean, what we have with you.
Don't know. I guess there's this thing I've been working on.
I'm bringing Austin. The Bronte sisters and Austin.
Are you planning on doing some reading then?
That'd be ridiculous.
Well, why else would you bring them?
You know, their words have made people feel things, and I guess, you know, it makes you feel less lonely having them with you.
I get you. Well, as I was saying, there's this project that I'm
Why do
working
you bring
on.
us here as rain?
I thought it would be nice. I mean, I wanted to be somewhere pretty, you know, if this was the last time.
Yeah.
Before we...
It's nice to get away from them all, just lying there.
Please.
No,
Please.
I'm sorry, we can't. We can't.
Please.
Laura,
I'm not gonna make it.
Laura, please tell me you have a good figure there.
Yeah, don't worry. I've got at least 6 or 7. Okay, don't worry about it.
Show me.
Just trust me, okay? How many have you got?
I've got 4, that's what, 40 hours?
That's okay. I'm sure we can find some more before then.
I better go, they'll be worried about me. Please say you'll come tomorrow?
I don't know. I could, but it might be...
Laura, it's been ages. Please, it'd be good for you.
Yeah, of course. Right, be safe, okay?
here. Come on in. So you finally decided to visit us.
It's been too long, I know.
Well, you haven't really missed much anyway. So everyone is through there. I'll make you a cup of tea and bring you through. Okay? Great. Sure.
The levels of oxygen hit the lowest numbers they've been since the beginning of life on Earth. In the last 4 years, we've seen our open oceans become zero oxygen sites, killing corals, killing wildlife, and killing mankind. With the population reducing at a rapid pace, all we can do is hope. Hope that soon there will be an answer for this disaster. Soon, the oxygen will be restored. We have Susanna in the studio after she took to the streets this morning. This is what she found.
Good morning, I'm Susanna Barnes here with Channel 149. I'm here on Union Street where the residents are currently waking. Some, however, didn't make it through the night and people are starting to take to the streets. No, I don't, sorry. No, I don't, sorry. No, I...
And that's where we lost connection with the crew. Susanna, that looked terrible out there. Can you describe for us what it was like?
I mean, it's horrendous. It's like nothing I've ever seen before. People were crying and acting out violently and stealing. It's just mayhem.
No.
I think the only thing we can hope
No,
for
I'm
is
sorry, I can't. I've had enough of this. I've had enough of this shit.
Well, if this is the end, it's been a pleasure. Ladies and gentlemen, from all of us here, we'd like to thank you for all the years of laughter. I'm sure.
I can't just turn it off.
This is madness. This is madness. We should just end it all already.
What are you talking about? We need to keep hope.
What hope? What fucking hope?
You know we can't go out. We need to keep our heads, otherwise we're all screwed.
We can't change the past. Humanity did this to ourselves. We fucked up the planet. You fucking idiot!
Don't you dare call me a fucking idiot!
I cannot believe it. I don't.
It's been a while, John. I know I haven't called much since Mum. I know that doesn't change much, but we should be with each other now. People stay with family at times like these, don't they?
Mum. What? Don't. Just don't.
John.
I said don't. It's too late. Stay away from me.
John, what's wrong?
I said stay away from me!
John!
Don't worry, there's nothing we can do. Calm down.
What? Why is he like that? No, tell me, why is he like that?
He just hasn't been the same since... I don't think we're going to get him back.
Why didn't you tell me?
You had so much going on when he started acting like this. Come on, let's just go join the others.
No, I just need some time, okay? I'm gonna head back for a bit and I'll see you later, okay?
Is everything right?
Yeah, John just had one of his swings and Laura will be back in a bit.
Yeah, see you guys soon. Slow down, I don't know what you're saying. Okay, I can meet you on the corner. I'm coming now, okay?
Laura, we've done it. He's done it. We found the cure. We're going to be okay.
Nothing's completely certain, but there's a new mutant plant species that we've managed to create using plant matter from before, when the atmosphere still had oxygen. If we can grow it and breed it, then it will produce oxygen, restoring it to the atmosphere.
But all the plants are toxic. Surely the toxic gases in the atmosphere won't sustain it. Surely it won't survive.
It can survive, and it will.
Did you hear that? We're going to be okay. Everything's going to be fine. No, listen to me, okay? We don't have to worry about those bloody pills anymore. He's going to find the cure. We're going to be saved.
Yes, okay. I'll be there right away. Give me 15 minutes. It's growing. They're testing it now with the air particles in the lab, but if it works, then we might have a trial ready by tonight.
Tonight? This evening?
Yes, it'll take a few days for the full effects to kick in. So until then, please stay safe, and for God's sake, look after your pills. Hide them, whatever. I'll be in contact, Katie.
This is incredible. We're going to have time now. You can work things out with John and me and Charlie. We can have a future now. I never thought this could happen. Wait, no.
What is it?
No, I only have 2 left. I'm not going to make it.
So, it doesn't matter. The guy said that he's starting the trial tonight.
No, but it takes a few days. He said it takes a few days to kick in, and I'm not going to make it.
Shit. Does Charlie have any more?
Charlie has 4, but I can't take it off him. I can't risk it.
It's all right. You can have more of mine. I've got 6 left anyway. It's really not an issue.
How have you got 6 left? That doesn't make sense. You've been cutting them out. No, you know it's not safe to cut them in half.
It doesn't matter now, and I'm fine, okay? Just, here, take it.
Thank you so much. I'm going to buy you all the ice cream you can eat when this is over. I'll let you know when he says it's ready, okay?
Yeah. I'll see you tonight. John, I know you don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. But I don't know. Katie's onto something. It'll be okay. You'll be okay. I'm sorry, John. Bye.